We were using a Bean Tru-Point. I think it was by Snap-on. They decided to go with Autel because the Snap-on was good, but it didn't have as much capabilities as the Autel.
We've been using the Tru-Point machine for the past 5 years. When there was only a few cars that had this, it was okay, but we've really noticed the increase in the ADAS, and that's when it was like, we've got to change. The model we're using isn't going to continue growing the way we're growing.
We've had a lot of issues with the older machine not staying centered with the car. It would always tell me I had to redo the whole calibration over, start over.
I started doing research. Everything seemed to lean towards the Autel equipment, and we both walked out of there highly impressed.
All the equipment is way more durable.
Yeah.
It's heavier.
The automated arm is a game changer in my opinion.
The surround 360 calibration will be by far easier, quicker, and less up and down.
I started with a Bosch machine. Don't recommend it. It was just too difficult, too many measurements. I can only do so many cars. It just was not working out. So we got away with it for about a year or so. And then it was when I became manager where we were just like, holy moly, we're losing a lot of money.
It was Mitchell, Bosch, and we tried and tried and tried, and we had more calls to Mitchell, and they just couldn't do it. We put the Autel in, and it's paying off. You know, I don't want to put anybody down, but I didn't get the results that I am getting today. Not even close, not even close. We still have it, you know, it's a good boat anchor if anybody wants one.
We had an older system that was a hunter type system we had a lot of issues with, so we're trying to get more into better equipment. I feel that with the Autel, there's a lot more access, a lot better system. With the hunter, it's very limited on the functions that you can use.
We used to work with Hunter, Bosch, ADAS. It was good, it was working with us, but I can compare them and I can tell, at least for me, it wasn't as friendly as I've seen on Autel. It's the same technology, we're doing ADAS calibration, but the way it works, it's much easier, and I would tell everybody to give it a try.